trek to the towering mountain. City of smiles, where history's a pride. City where culture is splendidly bright. Welcome to the beautiful city of Iriga. Come and visit the beautiful city of Iriga. Dagos po kamo sa syudad nin Iriga. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful city of Iriga. Come and feel the festive and vibrant fiestas. Come and walk along the friendly city streets. Enjoy and taste the native and authentic cuisine. Capture more beautiful moments with natural scenes. Welcome to the beautiful city of Iriga. Come and visit the beautiful city of Iriga. Dagos po kamo sa syudad nin Iriga. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful city of Iriga.
Right, I'm in a place called Iriga and we come here for the festival, but because of a communication problem issue with my new Edward, we've got here very late and it looks like it's over, but the streets are still full and I don't know why, but we're gonna have a look. Anyway, I'm just going to ask my interpreter a couple of questions, and unfortunately I need an interpreter for my interpreter. So, what do you think about the crash of the dollar? Exactly. Do you think President Obama's going to be impeached?
Yes.
Yes?
Yeah.
All right, okay. So there's beginnings of a float here. Well, I'm saying beginnings. I don't know if it's the beginnings or the end. Now the parades are supposed to go on until the evening, but I'm not sure if they do, or I don't know. I'm really disappointed I didn't get here earlier. They're good wigs anyway. Michael Jackson would be proud. You're going on YouTube.
Thank you.
So go on YouTube, you'll see yourselves. Brit in the Philippines. Wonder how much they get paid.